This is really sad. This magpie is dying, and I'm not really sure why. There is nothing I can do for him. It's got something wrong with his feet, and the other magpies were having a go at it, and yeah, he's not far off dying, the poor thing. I'm not sure if I can touch him or not. Oh dear me. Poor little fella. I'll stay with you, mate. Well, he's letting me touch him. Poor thing. Hey? Hope you go to a better place, little fella. Hey? Yeah, I know. I think it's an older magpie. Looking at its beak, looks pretty old. Oh, geez, it's sad, isn't it, eh? Poor little thing. Because the other magpies are having a go at it, I think I'll get a box and put it over him so they can just leave him alone. I think it might be the best bet. Poor little thing. Yes, it's to keep the other magpies away. I've put this washing basket over it so it can die peacefully. Poor thing. Okay.